I'm Jessica and I will be your Italian teacher. Welcome to my channel. Are you ready to learn Italian? Perfect, this is your place. Today I'm going to explain you the nouns. So we have four kinds of nouns. Male singular, male plural, female singular, female plural. Now I'm going to explain you how to write this kind of words. So first example, tavolo. Tavolo means table. If the last vowel is O, the word is male singular. Tavoli means tables. If the last vowel is E, is male plural. So, another example. Casa is house or home. For us, there is no difference. Casa, look, if the last vowel is A, the word is female singular. Case, if the last vowel is E, is female plural. Okay? So, tavolo, finish with O, is male singular. Tavoli, finish with E, is male plural. Casa, finish with A, is female singular. Case, finish with E, is female plural. Okay? It's very important. This is your base. You have to learn it because this is important for recognize articles, verbs, adjectives, adverbs. So you have to memorize this lesson very, very well or very, very good. So this is the main rule, but we have some exception. For example, we have elefante. Elefante, so if you see, the last vowel is E, but this noun is irregular, is male singular. But if you want to do the plural, is elefanti, finish with E and is irregular. We have some words like that, other kind of exception, so you have to study a bit and of course with practice, you are going to recognize them very easy. Okay, so another thing that I want to say to you, we have words starting with a consonant and start with a vowel. So for example, we have olio. Olio is good, male singular because the last vowel is O. We have the plural, oli. The last vowel is E, so male plural. Or we have amica. Amica means friend, but a girl. So girlfriend, not girlfriend, but a girlfriend. So, amica, finish with A. Female, singular. Amiche, finish with E, is very good. Female, plural. Okay, so as you can see, you can have words starting with a consonant or with a vowel. So, maybe now seems like not so important, but will be for the articles. But I'm going to teach you at the next lesson. So, for now, that's all. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.